Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Plus, we've got some new glitches and overages to talk about as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do want to go ahead and apologize that I did not put out any $5 $25 scenarios on Friday for you all. Unfortunately, my phone, I believe it got some kind of bug or virus or something, and it completely crashed on me, so I lost a lot of information, but I think we're back on track as of right now. But then after that, we had a lot of really bad storms roll through, across the country, and I do want to say that my thoughts and prayers are out there to all the people who have been affected. It's just so horrible to see, all of the devastation. Now, this video is going to be really quick, and we are going to have to skip over quite a few coupons because your girl is sitting at her very first remodel this morning. Yes, I have been sitting out in my car in the dark with a flashlight going through all the new coupon matchups for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right in and see what we've got, because I've got to hurry up and get in line, y'all. Our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course, go ahead and clip your $5 $25 for Saturday. Now, I will go ahead and say we have a ton of new digital coupons today. Plus, I'm kind of in a little bit of a tight spot. I'm sitting in the parking lot of Dollar General at this remodel right now, so kind of looking weird with me sitting in here with a flashlight trying to read through all of these coupons. So anyways, the point is that we will be skipping over quite a few of these coupons, but I still want to go through and show you all what I'm clipping to my account. We will go over some of the best deals and glitches, but make sure that y'all stay tuned for the good deals and glitch list video, and I will try to have that out first thing tomorrow morning. Alright, well, let's go ahead and jump right in. We have a 3 off 1 for the Tide, 2 off 1 for the Oral-B toothbrushes. These start out at $3.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Oral-B toothbrushes, priced at $1. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage if you still have the older systems at your store. Alright, and I do believe that was on the Bright and Clean toothbrushes. Alright, next up we have a $2.30 off one for the Febreze small spaces. These are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay just 95 cents. And we still have those P&G coupons from last week, so we should have some really good deals for this week as well. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste. These start out at $3.35, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.35. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Gain. These are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.50. Here's one you might not want to clip to your account just yet. We have a 50 cent off one for the finished products. We do have higher value coupons for 150 off one and 2 off one. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. Next up, we have a 4 off 2 for the Colgate. If you want to pick up the Max Fresh, those are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Alright, moving on down, we have an Ajax and Palmolive digital coupon. This is basically a buy one, get one free coupon. So if you want to pick up the Ajax, those are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25 for 2. If you want to pick up the Palmolive, those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Swiffer products. These start out at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have a new buy one, get one free on the Airwick products. These start out at $6.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.25 for 2. I'm going to pass on that Pantene one just because it is a low value coupon. We have a 5 off 1 for the L'Oreal Paris skincare products. So these are priced at $10.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95 unless you can find the eye cream that was on clearance during the clearance event. I believe those are priced at around $7.95. So that would be a really good deal if y'all can find those. Alright, next up we have a 2 off 2 for the Dove and Axe products. Now we have a couple of glitches going on with this one. So this coupon is working on the Axe 1.7 ounce deodorants. These are priced at $3. Now, this coupon is glitching and it is applying when you just add 1 to the cart. So after this coupon is applied, that's going to be paying just $1. Same thing goes for the other products as well. So for instance, the Dove Body Love body wash, those are priced at $7.43. We have a 2 off 1 manufacturer coupon, plus we have this DG store coupon for 2 off 2, but that is applying when you just add 1 to your cart. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $3.43. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. We have a $2.30 off one for the Febreze plugins. Those are priced at $3.25 this week. Those are on sale. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 95 cents. Then we have a 1 off 3 for the Dr. Pepper brand 12 packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $13. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12 for 3. Then we have a 25 cents off one for the Bounty. So the Bounty Essentials are priced at $5.95. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the single count Bounty rolls of paper towels. Those are priced at $1 in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Clorox and Pine Sol products. Those start out at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Alright, next up we have a 2 off 1 for the Fixodent multi-packs. This is glitching. I'm working on the single Fixodent Plus Precision. Those are priced at $7. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Then we have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. If you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Then we have a new Lysol coupon. We have Charmin Huggies wipes, 2 off 3 for the Pepsi, Mountain Dew, and Starry 12 packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $13. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 3. Here we have a $3.25 off of 2 for the Mr. Clean Clean Freak starter kits or the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. So the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers are priced at $3.25, so it's basically a buy one get one free coupon. So you'll pay $3.25 for 2. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers found in the dollar aisle for $1. So if you pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.25 in overage. Now, I will caution you guys on this glitch. Sometimes it works with the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, sometimes it does not. So make sure that y'all scan that when you get into the store before you go up to the register. Alright, next up we have a Bounce coupon. We have Eucerin and Nivea. Go ahead and clip all of those. We have CoverGirl Face. We have a $5.50 off of 2 for the Mr. Clean Clean Freak starter kits. So if you want to pick up those, they're priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. Alright, now we're getting to the part where we're going to be skipping a few. We do have a 50-cent off one for the Energizer batteries. This coupon is glitching and it is working on some of the True Living or DG Home batteries that are priced at $1. So I believe it was the 9-volt, the 2-pack of D batteries, and the 2-pack of C batteries, all priced at $1. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Alright, so we are going to skip over quite a few of these right here, but definitely go ahead and clip them to your account. And we will definitely cover some more deals with these coupons in the Good Deals and Glitch List video. Alright, we've got Angel Soft, Ensure. Dollar General gave us a ton of new coupons today. We have a 1 off 1 for the Hefty products. These start out at $4.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.95. We have Flonase, Depends, Cantu, Extra Laundry Detergent, 2 off 1. Those are priced at $6, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. We have 50 cents off for the Hefty trash bags. Those are priced at $5.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4.95. Or I'm sorry, $5.45. Then we have a 1 off 1 for the Hidden Valley Ranch. These are on sale this week for $3.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.50. We have Neutrogena. There's another 2 off 1 for the Extra. 1 off 1 for the Family Guard brand of products. Now these start out at $4.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.50. We have a 1 off 2 for the Kellogg's. These are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. Then we have a 2 off 1 for the Neutrogena. These start out at $5.15, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.15. We have a 3 off 2 for the Head & Shoulders. 5 off 3 for the Olay. So this one is glitching and working on the 2-count Olay bar soaps. Those are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.75 for 3 of the Olay 2-count bar soaps. Next up, we have a one-off one for the Crest mouthwash. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the travel size Crest mouthwash. Those are priced at $1, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Alright, moving on down, we're going to skip over that 50-cent off Head & Shoulders one because we do have a higher value, 3 off 2. We were $3.50 off one for the Kingsford Charcoal. This one is glitching and working on the 6.2 ounce Kingsford Charcoal bags. These are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon, you are going to pay $4.50. Alright, next up we have a one-off one for the Oral-B Floss Picks. These are priced at $4.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We have a 2-off one for the Secret Clinicals. Those are priced at $9, so pretty pricey. We have a 3-off one for the Secret Dry Sprays. So those are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Then we have a 3-off one for the Crest Adult, 3-off one for the Venus Razors. Those are priced at $9, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. Not a bad deal there. We also have a 4-off 2 for the Secret Clinical, some Olay and Old Spice coupons, $3.50 off one for the Dollar Shave Club. Those start out at $8.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Then we have the Dove deodorant, 2 off 1 for the men's. So this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 1.7 ounce Dove men's deodorants. Those are priced at $5 after this manufacturer coupon. Plus we have that 1 off 1 DG store coupon. That is going to leave you paying $3. Alright, now from here on out, I don't think there's anything too great that we have to go over right now. But go ahead and clip these 2 off 1 coupons. We have Sally Hansen's. We have Rexall vitamins. I believe those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have a buy 2, get 1 free on this Scent Happy products. Those start out at $2.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 3. And then here we just have a lot of the DG Health products. So go ahead and clip all those DG store coupons to your account. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around for the good deals and glitch list video. I'm going to go ahead and jump out of my car. It is a little past 7 now at this point, and the doors are about to open. So y'all wish me luck on my very first remodel, and like I said, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.